Hey guys, it's Friday, you know what that means. Time for the Pretzel Pub. You know, I went with the spicy again. You know, I'm a fan of spice. Get this. Today we had an employee, his name was Jose. Jose didn't speak a lick of English, except for the words yes and no. We still got it done though. We still got the shit done. That shit's good every time. Nice moisture. Not too dry nowhere. That shit is nice. One more thing I want to say about this right quick. This pretzel sandwich here is that because of the fact that it's a pretzel, it really holds everything together well, and it doesn't allow all the you know, the honey mustard, the fucking beer cheese. It don't really become dripping out all the sides like in an aggressive manner. Like, it still drips, and that's good, but it's not too much to handle. I'm not having to like lick it up or like eat it faster or some shit. It just stays there, you know, like it should.